morning to all. We are from grade 4. We are explain about germination of seeds. Stage 1. The seed absorbs water. This causes it to fill. Stage 2. The seeding breaks throughout the core and grows out. Stage 3. Seedlings begins to sprout. A tiny root grows downwards into the soil.
Stage 4. Tiny roots grow upwards.
Stage 5. The roots and shoots grow larger and the coordinates supply nutrition to the seed. Stage 6. As the plant grows bigger, the coordinates start seeding. Stage 7. The leaf of the eggplant are formed.